Welcome back to Cooking with Bob. Today we are going to make eggplant parmigiana. Start with eggplants that are firm to the touch. Avoid mushy ones. Peel them and slice them into 1/4-inch slices. Prepare your breading station. Seasoned flour with salt and pepper, egg with grated cheese added, and seasoned breadcrumbs. Prepare 3 cups of your favorite tomato sauce. Dredge an eggplant slice in the flour, then coat the slice with the egg and grated cheese mixture, and then coat the slice with breadcrumbs. Heat olive oil in a heavy frying pan. Fry the slices for about 5 minutes per side. Be careful not to burn them. Replace the olive oil as it gets absorbed by the eggplant. Some folks bake the slices, but I love the added taste of the olive oil. Drain the slices on paper towels. Add some tomato sauce to the bottom of the baking pan. Add a layer of fried eggplant. Spread more tomato sauce, sprinkle with grated cheese and shredded whole milk mozzarella. Repeat the layering until you run out of eggplant. Cover the pan with aluminum foil and bake in a 425-degree oven. Remove after 30 minutes and let sit for about 10 minutes before serving. Please like and share and comment on this video.